Adding another truck to the collection, bud. Old C60, 1978. Small block, 350, 4-speed with a 2-speed rear end inner. What road is this? I might be able to just take this road.
This is, oh man. Custom Deluxe.
Custom Deluxe.
Oh,
Windows,
my.
man. You don't need windows. My 3 Plus is the same way. It's like down to about that same amount.
All the lights basically work. The hazards work. The wipers work.
And do they actually return? They actually
And they return. Oh my, this is too new for Jay.
It's 2 men.
Catching up to the speed limit. Not. Only going like maybe 15.
No, we're going like 25, 30.
Oh, okay.
Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Bouncy, 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 bouncy.
Look at the traffic. That's funny.
Oh my gosh, the Yusuf's new toy.
Yeah.
Seems to smooth out a little bit as you go faster. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. It looked like that semi was gonna start trying to pass for a minute.
Uh-oh. Definitely a lot less traffic now.
This curve here is pretty far out there. Little bit on the bouncy side, old son. Everybody's selling their campers this year, man. There's one up on Condit, and then there's one farther up in Centerburg, and I just saw another one right here. Yeah, it doesn't work.
Alright.
Sometimes what they have you do is they have you press it so that you press the clutch and pump it in neutral for it to work. You can hear a relay clicking in the dash.
Yeah.
So this switch is working. Probably a wire. What's this thing? Dude, Freesto, go get it, yo man!
Oh no.
No.
Oh no.
No, there's a bunch of crap in the back of this thing. It doesn't just back into the burn pit, just...
Yep.
This might put a little bit deeper ruts in the grass though, just maybe.
Just a little bit.
That trailer has been out there for sale, I swear, for like 6 months, 7 months. Nobody wants it because it's a piece of crap. Some homemade boat trailer thing. You probably want like $1,000 for it or something stupid.
Oh my.
It's completely rebuilt, everything's new, yeah.